Are keto bagels even possible? Not only are they a real thing, but they're delicious, simple to make, with a recipe that only requires 5 ingredients. So keep watching, I'll show you how to make them. Welcome to Keto Craft Kitchen, your source for the best keto, low carb, and healthy recipes. So keto bagels, how are they possible? Well, I'll let you in on a little secret. When you combine these ingredients, something magical happens. It produces a bagel with the same taste and texture as a traditional bagel, but without the carbs. The recipe is super easy. You can air fry or bake them. I'll be air frying them today. You can garnish them with your favorite toppings, and I'll show you my favorite way to prepare them. There are tons of possibilities, so feel free to be creative. But enough talking, let's get started.
First off, shred 1 block of Italian-style mozzarella cheese.
So here's my quick PSA about shredded cheese. The bag shredded cheese has cellulose powder in it to avoid caking, which is basically edible sawdust. So if you can have a better tasting, healthier version of the cheese, why not spend the extra couple minutes and shred it yourself?
Take 2½ cups of that mozzarella you just shredded and add it to a bowl. Add 1/4 cup of cream cheese and set to the side. In a separate bowl, add 2 1/4 cups of almond flour, 1 teaspoon of xanthan gum, and whisk together until combined. Once combined, sift into another bowl to remove any clumps. Add 1 egg and 1 egg yolk to the flour mixture and mix until combined. Once that's combined, go back to your shredded cheese and cream cheese mixture and microwave that in 30-second increments, stirring in between until you get a texture like this. Now add the almond flour to the cream cheese and shredded cheese mixture and combine with your hands until incorporated. Once incorporated and it looks like this, go ahead and add almond flour to a surface and start kneading out the dough. Now that it's nice and smooth, it's time to make some bagels. I like to use a digital food scale to make sure they're all the same size and they cook evenly, but you can go ahead and eyeball it if you want. Now add your toppings to a small bowl, that way you can dip them in. I did one everything bagel, the other one was a swerve, cinnamon, and nutmeg mixture. Now you're ready to shape your bagels. Roll them out onto your surface until you get them to about this length. Once you reach the desired length, go ahead and shape them into those bagels. Once you get them shaped, spray them with some cooking spray. That way the toppings can stick to them. Now press the bagels into the bowls where you have the toppings. And voila. If you have any unused toppings, go ahead and sprinkle the rest on top. Now cook them in a 400-degree air fryer for 12 to 14 minutes or a conventional oven, 400 degrees, 12 to 15 minutes. If using an air fryer, don't forget to flip them halfway through. Now enjoy the bagel goodness.
So now's my favorite part, the taste test. So I just put some peanut butter and sugar-free jelly. It was easy, it was on hand. Can't go wrong with a classic. As you can see, the look and the texture are spot on, just like your favorite flour bagels, but without the carbs. So let's dig in. So good. The taste, the texture, the crunch on the outside, the chewiness on the inside. It's the perfect bagel. Have someone you know try these, they'll never be able to tell they're keto. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to hit the like button, leave a comment if you have any questions, subscribe and hit the notification bell for future keto, low carb, and healthy recipes. I have tons of great content planned, so stay tuned for that. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep it classy, Keep it keto. Keto Craft Kitchen, out.